I think that partnerships between private and public stakeholders are essential because data is generated in multiple ways and in many different, with many different origins. So for really reaching results that impact in the patient's life and in the clinical practice it is essential to have all this data together, and it's essential to share it and to analyze it. Well, actually, we have plenty of examples. We have this year, I don't know how many submissions to ASH. Many results have been extracted from this research initiatives that have appeared from Harmony. So I really think that there are several results that may mean something important to the clinical community and to the patients. In my experience, this is just the beginning of the future because data has no limits. Data has no geographic limits, and till that moment it may have them, but there will be a moment there will no be limits. So I think sharing the data and analyzing it massively, especially with big data, like and even artificial intelligence, it's what is going to give us the clue for many diseases and many questions that remain unanswered.